Hi, I'm Donna Whitaker. I'm the CEO of Assistant Service Dog Educational Center. We have started this program in the year 2000, became a nonprofit in 2002. So what we do is teach students or volunteers how to train service dogs for people with physical or mental disabilities.
Daddy, is there an extra brush?
I think I gave your brother one, but everybody else has a dog that they need to brush as well. Okay, so just wait, sweetheart.
One of the biggest things that's changed for me is that it's been years. Nope, sit. It's been years since I've gone out of the house and gone to the store, especially during the day. And in the last week or so, we've gone out. In fact, all of us as a family went out yesterday, which was amazing. It's something that we hadn't done. And to do that, it's allowing our family to keep growing. And the changes he's made in me of calming down and being able to deal with just everyday situations on top of what I already deal with. It's just, I can't find the words for it.
Bring it. Yes, good boy. Thank you. Here. Push. Yes. Good boy. Yeah. Push. Good boy. Yes. Good job. Get it? Put it in the basket. Yes. Push. Yes.
You work with kids, you work with veterans. The kids help train the dogs, and that helps them stay in school. And
Right.
then veterans and people with disabilities then get the end result of the kids' training.
Exactly.
So wow.
Yeah. The students receive an 8 to 10 week old puppy, and they train it for 2 years to become a service dog. So they learn a combination of 90 commands.
Wow.
And the students, if they keep their grades up in all their required courses, then once a month they got to take their dog out into public, and we would take a field trip. And we'd go to Adventure Park and anywhere that, ride transit buses, anything to socialize the dog.
Sit. Wait. Tug. Give. Yes. Good boy. Yes. Tug. Get it. Bring it. Push. Yes. Come. Sit. Yes.
Source would match part of that or something?
So I'm Nick Vargas. I'm with the Source LGBT Center in Visalia. We're a 501c nonprofit. Part of our mission part of what we want to do is to help other nonprofits in what they do. And so we share a board member. So Jim Greer has been on our board since the beginning. He's great. He helps us out a lot. He's always telling us about his amazing work he does here. So he's like, you should come and see it. And we've heard about it. We want to help out this organization because it's such a great organization that's doing a lot of work with kids, with dogs, with people with disabilities. It's not for me.
Wait a minute. Calm down, buddy. It's okay. You all right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now you can talk.
He is definitely a believer.
But when this started telling them what we're going to do. They pulled out $100. They said, when you do it, give it to Gerald or whoever. So here's the first 100.
Thank you very much. We'll take it and do good.